When you're inside Google Analytics, let's look at the two ways you can find out what pages are generating the most traffic. The first is the landing page. So you come over here to Reports, and you click on Landing Page. And then if you want to look at all of January, we can go here, but we can also just let's look at the last 30 days. And hit Apply. Okay. And then let's change the rows to 25. So we're looking at the top 25 landing pages for your site over the last 30 days. And this is the list. So what that means is that when someone comes into your site, this is the very first page they land on. That's what a landing page is. Now, do you want to see what your top pages overall for your site are? That's easy. You go over to Pages and Screens. So we're still in the last 30 days. Let's also change this to top 25. And now you can look at the top pages for your site, which will be different than your landing pages. So your landing pages are how people get into your site. But from there, these might be the top pages that people actually are looking at and engaging with. Hopefully this helps.